Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Tuesday, June 8, 2021 on our channel. Area comments post F-gas stakeholders workshop. GEA Grasso M compressor has increased efficiency of the ammonia refrigeration plant by 15%. IIR Informatory Note on the carbon footprint of the cold chain. Johnson Controls announced the addition of the Quantech QWC4 air-cooled screw chiller. Emerson marks 100 years of air conditioning and refrigeration innovation through its Copeland technology. So, first news today. Area comments post F-gas stakeholders workshop. Further to the F-gas stakeholder workshop that took place early May, Area has submitted comments both individually and as part of a large industry coalition. Area joined 14 other European and national trade associations representing a large spectrum of the refrigeration, air conditioning and heat pump industry. Together, the industries flagged insufficient technical justifications in support of the policy options currently evaluated as part of the impact assessment in preparation for the upcoming revision of the F-gas regulation. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. GEA Grasso M compressor has increased efficiency of the ammonia refrigeration plant by 15%. A 20% reduction in total cost of ownership, a 15 to 20% increase in energy efficiency, a halving of the maintenance interval, environmentally friendly cooling using ammonia and a compact design. This impressive result was achieved by the solution provider GEA at the dairy processing plant, Fortune Dairy near Pune, India. GEA, one of the leading technologists globally and best known for its GEA Grasso and Quat brand, was approached by Fortune Dairy to develop a refrigeration compressor package solution. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. IIR Informatory Note on the carbon footprint of the cold chain. The IIR has just issued a new informatory note on the carbon footprint of the cold chain. It highlights the food safety and environmental benefits of an improved global cold chain. The IIR has just published a new informatory note on the carbon footprint of the cold chain. This note follows a previous informatory note on the role of refrigeration in worldwide nutrition published in March 2020. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Johnson Controls announced the addition of the Quantech QWC4 air-cooled screw chiller. Johnson Controls announced the Quantech QWC4 air-cooled screw chiller has been added to the brand's expanded chiller portfolio. The Quantech QWC4 chiller uses variable speed drive technology to reduce energy costs and carbon emissions by as much as 30% when compared to traditional chillers. Throughout most locations, the variable speed drive saves energy during 99% of operating hours spent at off-design conditions, which include reduced load and/or reduced entering condenser water temperature. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Emerson marks 100 years of air conditioning and refrigeration innovation through its Copeland technology. Emerson is celebrating this year as the 100th anniversary of its Copeland brand, a name that has become synonymous with leadership in the design and manufacture of energy-efficient, reliable compressors to power air conditioning and refrigeration systems that are enhancing and protecting environments where people live and work. It's a milestone that Emerson will recognize over the next 12 months as the company continues to innovate advanced Copeland products to solve critical industry challenges. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow refrigeration news on social networks. Please find the links below.